Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is a kite. Today I will tell you how to color a kite to give it a look of shading. Here I am using oil pastel colors from Camelin. So let's start coloring. So first I am using this dark green oil pastel color. So as you know, we need to first do the outline of the kite. Here I'm just doing the outline. I hope you are doing the coloring with me. I love coloring. I hope you do too. So you see right now I'm just making the outline. Okay. So now it's time for doing some shading. So this color I'm not holding it very tightly. I'm holding it very light and I will color it like this. Very light. Very light pressure. You give very light pressure. When you give very light pressure to the oil pastel colors, so you can see this lines which is visible. This is exactly what I am trying to do, kind of shading. So we will move the color in only one direction. Here I am moving it from left to right. And in corners where the white portion is left, I am just doing up and down. So whenever you color, please remember to color in it one side, not like this. Okay, so I want my kite to be colorful. So now I am going to use a red color. See, this is the red color. Now again, like what we have done earlier, I am also doing the outline. Since it's going to be a very long video, I am going to fast forward my video a bit for you. Hey, my kite is complete. Now it's time to do its ribbons. Yay! With this, our kite is complete. I hope you like my video. If you like my video and wants to learn more drawing, then please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press that bell icon for the more notification of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye, my little kids.